Yo, what's up guys? Another week, another video. This morning I woke up thinking, what a beautiful day. I know exactly what I'm going to film. I'm just going to cruise. Went to the gym, everything was good, and then I looked on Instagram and I had one of those moments. Completely forgot about this little event called Classics at Ohope. It's now 20 to 11, car show starts at 12, so we're going to boost down there and see what we can find. Come for the ride.
I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go crawl, yeah, race, oh wow, I'm trapping on the way down. I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go ham, yeah, break, oh no, I cannot take this slow. I'm grinding on like the holy rail and now hit the slows and go pro, yeah. Please don't take that powder, you don't got no reason. Moving on top of mountains, homie got trapped, no breathing.
Touchdown, here we are, just got to Ohope, classic Ford event. It's called Classics at Ohope and we are surrounded by goodness, so let's go have a look. Beautiful Camaro. Have to bring this one home with us. Guys, so that was Classics at Ohope that we just shot down to. Anna realised that she's actually never driven her car on the open highway. So how's it been, hun?
Great. Pretty good. 9.9 per kilometre.
Oh, okay, so we got a fuel economy rating out of it. So it might not be a 9.9 out of 10 to drive, but it gets 9.9 per 100 kilometres. So that's pretty good. Pretty light on the gas, just a cruise today. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. A few pretty neat caravans and nice classics along there. Obviously we see a few of those at some of the other shows, but yeah, something a little bit different. And yeah, hit the subscribe please, comment, let me know what you want to be seeing. I'm probably going to do a bit of a review on this car in the next week or two. We've owned it for 3 months now, and see how many kilometres, but 3,000 or 4,000 kilometres probably done in it, so we'll give you a pretty honest review on that.
It's done 16,000.
Okay, we've done 4,000 kilometres in it. Yeah, all coming up, so comment, like, subscribe, blah blah blah. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.